All right, I don't know if it is quiet enough for you to hear the water sloshing noise that I have been complaining about. I did some searching on the forums and I couldn't find any useful advice on where to find this noise. So I'm going to creep forward in the car. Well, I know where it's coming from right now. It's coming from the frame rail. There's water in the frame rail. So see if you can hear it as I inch forward, and then I'll hit the brakes, and then you can hear what I call a sloshing noise. Did you hear it? I'll go to the back rail here and see if you can. Okay, well, I don't know if you can hear it in the microphone, but I can clearly hear it. So we're gonna go home and I'll show you how to get the water out of this thing. Okay, so as reported in the previous video, we have water intrusion into the aluminum rail. Let's go underneath and take a look. So I never suspected this rail. I did suspect these rails right here. These are square aluminum and I thought they got water in them, so I did drill a hole in them right about there. A small little weep hole, hoping that it would stop that sloshing noise. But these are the culprit. So I'm gonna drill a hole here and we'll see what comes out. Okay, as suspected, there is the source of our water leak or sloshing noise. So we drilled a hole. They're angle bit Bosch, and I got a couple plugs, and I may or may not extend the size of the hole and then throw in one of these plugs. So I'll be back when we have a total of the water that was that came out of this thing. I think I'm going to fill that up. So here's all the water that came out of the passenger side frame rail. We did in fact drill the driver side frame rail, and nothing came out, bone dry. So I thought it was coming from this side, and that's where it was. So I simply put a hole in the frame rail here, and this frame rail is actually tapered, and then it's flat on the bottom. So it's kind of like a lazy triangle. I don't know what that shape is called, but I think that I'm not going to put a cap in there because the car has a natural kind of rake. It sits lower in the front than it does in the back. So I think if water does get back there, it'll just drain out. Okay, that's it for now. So in conclusion, I need to give a shout out to our GemCar brethren, John Taylor. He bought our 2017 E4, and when he took delivery of it, he mentioned the sloshing noise that I recognize as well, and I didn't have an answer for him. So he recently upgraded or changed his batteries out, and him and the GemCar tech from Sacramento, I don't know if he figured it out or John Taylor figured it out, but he sent me a video, and I'll link it in this video of his car leaking water. So shout out to John. He's an insurance salesman from Sacramento, so if you need something insured, hit him up. I put the same question out to my GemCar forum people, and these are mechanical engineers and electrical engineers and rocket scientists, and they gave me answers like, oh, it's your windshield wiper fluid holder, and a bunch of other snarky answers. So I'll let you know, guys, an insurance salesman fooled you. So right on, John. Way to show him up.
I do not know, what causes it. So